Mix condensed milk with peaches and you will be delighted with the result for this recipe. We will need a can of peaches and we will drain the syrup here. Once you've done that, put the peaches in the blender. These peaches are very pretty and you're sure to get a delicious recipe. Now we're going to cover the blender and blend until it's smooth. Look how the texture is already changing. It's already a smooth cream and now we can turn it off. Now take the cream to another container and add a can of condensed milk of 395 grams. Now we're going to mix it with the whisk until it's a homogeneous cream. With these ingredients, there's only way this recipe will be delicious. But now reserve this cream and let's go to the next part in a container. Put 500 ml of whipping cream and we're going to beat it with the help of a mixer until when it reaches this point, we can add our peach cream with condensed milk and we'll stir gently with this spatula until the peach cream is all wrapped up in the whipped cream. Now we'll set it aside and then take a 200-gram bar of chocolate and we'll cut it into smaller pieces. After the chocolate has been chopped, we can add it to the cream and mix it gently again. Tell me if you've ever made this recipe at home. Now just transfer it to a serving dish or a container of your choice and spread it out evenly with the help of a spatula and put it in the freezer for 4 hours and it's ready. Let's see what the texture is like. This ice cream is simply spectacular. Wow, this ice cream is very professional. Look how beautiful it is and how delicious it is. Tell me about it. I feel like eating ice cream right now. Here at home, there's nothing left over. Tell me what rating this ice cream deserves. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and until the next video, bye bye.